Hi guys, I'm going to be talking about Brent oil today. So I come to my monthly time frame. What I can see on my monthly time frame, I see that price has pushed up, then correct, push up, then correct, push up, then correct, push up, then I see a correction around this area. So I see a potential double bottom around this region. Why is it a potential double bottom? Because this monthly candle has not yet closed. That is why it's still a potential double bottom. But on the weekly time frame, it has been confirmed already as a potential double bottom. So I'm just waiting for price to close on the monthly time frame for this Brent to be a full-fledged reversal. So on the weekly time frame, I could see a double bottom around this area. Then I could see a bullish engulfing candlestick pattern. If you watch, this was a correction, then a drop, a correction, then a drop. But in this case, it's different. I could see a bullish engulfing candlestick pattern and a correction like this. So this is a bullish reversal candlestick pattern. And if you check closely, I could see an indecision candle around this area and a bullish engulfing weekly candle close. So I'm going to come back to my daily time frame where I am looking for structure. What structure can I find on the daily time frame? On the daily time frame, I could see an inverse head and shoulder pattern around this region. Although this shoulder is a little bit bigger than this shoulder, but I could also classify this as an inverse head and shoulder because this is a corrective price action. And when you look at this mid zone, there is also a multiple consolidation around this region. After the multiple consolidation around this region, then I could also see a break of the counter trend line. Once I saw a break of the counter trend line, I placed my buy order already, and my stop loss is going to go below the consolidation region. Then my TP1 is going to be at this level, at this region, because this region, this yellow region can potentially reverse the market. When the price get to this region and stopped around this region, basically it has become a double top. But I'm hoping that the price is going to break here and break above. When we get to this area, there's going to be a little bit of a choke around this area because price has rejected multiple times around this region. So this is a potential level to add more to your position to take it to the upside. But on the other hand, once we break above this region here, then we can see a potential correction, then a continuation to the upside. But if we fail to break around this region, then it's going to be a double top. Then the next thing I normally check is I will come to my 4-hour time frame. My 4-hour time frame, I'm also going to check what I'm seeing on my 4-hour time frame. If you look very closely, I could see a multiple rejection around this region. I could see a multiple test around this region, and the market broke above and came back and corrected below. So I'm not seeing any potential correction to this region. I think the market, personally, I think the market will just continue to go up. The market will just continue to go up from this level. So what I normally do is I place my order here, and my stop loss is going to be below the consolidation around this region, and my TP1 is going to be uh, around this prick in this region because there's multiple correction around this area. So my TP1 is going to be here and my TP2 is going to be around this area. TP1, you can also add multiple, you can also add second order to this position because definitely there's going to be a correction around this area. So, and TP2 is also around this area. So that is what I'm watching. I'm waiting because I've already placed my orders in this position. I've already placed my order already. So I'll be looking if it breaks this zone, then I will look for oil to get to 71 region, 71.2 region. But if it fails to break 66 region, then oil is going to drop back down. So that is what I'm looking for in oil as of this week. Then my next trade is going to be, I'm going to be taking my next trade, which is Euro USD.